Well, good morning. Thanks for tuning in to the
Action News continues now with Dave Franco, Rick Williams, and Monica Malpass.
Good morning again. It is 6:01 on this Thursday, December 14th. The big story on Action News this morning, of course, is this morning's winter storm.
The slippery conditions are already taking a toll on traffic. We'll have a series of live reports from the Philadelphia suburbs, as well as New Jersey and Delaware.
We have Action News crews spread throughout the region. We're going to show you a lot of pictures and update you, walk you through the storm this morning. Let's go outside to Dave Frankel, who's not walking right now, but is going to read out the weather.
All right, here we go, Monica. And if you're just waking up this morning, the storm arrived on time overnight with snow for just about everybody. And then, of course, we talked about the change to some icy conditions. That's right on schedule, and then eventually rain. Let's run it down for you. What's happening right now? Snow in some spots, especially north of the city. The further south you get, it is freezing rain. The icy change has already taken place. 25 degrees, our official airport temperature right now. Today's exclusive AccuWeather forecast. Here's the call. We're going to have freezing rain and freezing drizzle until about 11 o'clock this morning. So right through the rush hour and the mid-morning hours, it will be icy. Later on, after about 11 o'clock, it turns over to rain. It'll be tapering off eventually to just drizzle. Rain ends this afternoon. We'll reach a high temperature late in the day of 38 degrees. So we're well below freezing now, but we're going to struggle to get above it. And, of course, that'll make all the difference as far as road conditions are concerned. By tonight, we're starting to dry out a little bit. Cloudy skies, maybe a little bit of drizzle here and there. Fog may form overnight, but the good news, we stay above the freezing mark, 36 degrees. So that's the latest. We'll have the 5-day coming up, including some warmer weather. Rick?
All right, David, thank you. We're going to head south right now, where the storm isn't sparing Delaware commuters anything this morning. For more on that, we go live to the Action Cam and Delaware correspondent Lauren Wilson. She joins us from Wilmington at this hour. Good morning, Lauren.
Good morning. That changeover that Dave was talking.
We are obviously having some technical problems with Lauren. We will hope to go back to her in just a moment. Let's go live to Cecily Tynan, who is standing by on Route 202 in King of Prussia. She will update us on the traffic situation there. Cecily.
Well, Rick, it's a deja vu all over again. Now, our last snowfall, of course, was on Saturday. A lot of people could just stay in. That's not the case this morning. And the morning commute can be tricky when it's been snowing throughout the night. Flying in Paoli before 12:30 this morning, and by 1:15, the Devon interchange was blanketed in white. By 3 a.m., the snow proved treacherous for the driver of this car that slid off Route 202 at Route 29 in East Whiteland. Plow trucks quickly took to the streets, cleaning the SEPTA parking lot in Paoli and salting the streets at the Exton Square Mall in hopes that today's weather won't scare off shoppers. Now, my advice, if you're planning on doing any holiday shopping, probably wait till this afternoon when it all turns to rain. Right now, it's sleet. It's just kind of bouncing right off me. And if you look behind me, this is Route 202. Traffic is still flowing up pretty well. Right now, the roads are just slushy here. Look down here, though, and this is what we're dealing with on the secondary roads. Some very heavy snowfall. It's kind of crusting over now with the sleet, so that's really where you'll have most of the problems here around King of Prussia. The secondary roads, the plows have not gotten there yet, and it's not only snowy, it's also very icy. I'm Cecily Tynan reporting live on the Action Cam from Warner Road in King of Prussia.
All right, thank you again, Cecily. We want to go to the telephones now. Bill Ivanko with New Jersey Dot is joining us live this morning. And Bill, if you can, give us an update on your situation and run down the major highways in the Garden State. Good morning. Bill, can you hear me at all? Okay, we're having a little trouble with Bill. Technical difficulties this morning, but we will talk to him. Let's see if we can go back to Lauren Wilson live in Wilmington this morning. Good morning, Lauren.
Good morning, Monica. As I was saying, that changeover that Dave was talking about has already started in the Wilmington area. The roads are very hazardous here. I can tell you that the snow plows started hitting the road about midnight, trying to get ahead of the storm. Still, the problem is freezing rain on the roads and freezing rain on the windshield. I saw a couple of drivers even pulling over on the side of the roads coming in this morning to scrape the freezing rain off of the windshield just to get into work. So the bottom line is you need to start early if you are going to work today, and take your time because the conditions are very hazardous on the road.
All right, thank you again, Lauren. Let's go now to Bill Ivanko, New Jersey Dot. I think we have our technical glitches cleared up. Bill, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Run down the major highways in the Garden State for us and how they're faring at this hour.
Well, presently we're receiving snow throughout the state of New Jersey. All our roads have some sort of frozen precipitation on them. We have crews covering all our areas throughout the entire state highway road system.
All right, we're looking live on the Action Cam now at Cherry Hill, New Jersey. This is Route 38. We've been keeping an eye on it, and folks, you can see the volumes beginning to build, but from our vantage point, it really looks kind of slushy and wet with snow more on the sides. Are your crews running into any particular trouble spots this morning, Bill?
No, none have been reported to us. Fortunately, the snow has fallen very slowly, and our people have been able to keep up with the conditions as they changed.
All right, that's good news. Now, how do you change your strategy when we go from snow to ice? Does the amount of salt and sand change? Do the number of crews change? Do you use actually some different substance?
Well, as you begin to get frozen precipitation in the liquid form, it uses the same amount of material, just that it would require more frequent spreads because of the dilution factor and the water washing the chemicals from the roadway.
All right, Bill Ivanko, New Jersey DOT, checking in live by telephone. Thank you very much. We appreciate it this morning. We'll have a lot more from him and other folks throughout the morning.
All right, right now let's go on to other news. Collingswood a bit earlier this morning. Traffic was very light, but there was plenty of snow to deal with. Taxi drivers are ready to hit the roads after doing some windshield clearing. And in Camden at the bus station, as you can see, they're ready for a busy day. If you do plan to do any long-distance traveling by bus today, be sure to check with the bus company to get an update on any possible delays here in New Jersey.
Folks are trying to deal with it, clearing it out, sweeping it off. Let's go back out to Dave Frankel and check travel weather and see if everybody's in this boat.
Over the next couple of hours, and then we'll be headed out. Present temperature is 27 degrees. The relative humidity is at 96%. Barometer 30.40 now and continuing to fall pretty quickly. East wind at 8 miles an hour. That gives us a wind chill, a feels like temperature of 16 degrees. 16 degrees is what it feels like out here. As far as the AccuWeather Almanac is concerned, if you keep track of the highs and the lows and the records therefore, or thereof, or there's something, thereby. Here you go, these are the numbers. December 14th, it's a Thursday. The sun will be up at 7:14. Sunset 7:37. Normal high for today is 44 degrees. Normal low 28. 69 the record high, set in 1881, and 10 degrees the record low, set in 1960. So we have one thing to be thankful for, and that's that this is not 1960, guys.
Yes, sir.
All right, thanks,
Every little bit helps. Thank you, David.
And you need at this hour. As I said, it's miserable. We're getting a combination now of snow, sleet, and rain. We're in the midst of another winter storm, and as such, we have a number of snow closings and delays to announce. Now, the following schools are closed. These are closed today. Abrams Hebrew Academy, Bristol Township Schools, but the offices will open at 10 a.m. this morning. Center School, Council Rock School District, Delaware Valley High School and Elementary Schools, Frenchtown Elementary School, Hopewell Valley Regional Schools. Again, all of these schools are closed. Midland School, Midtown Friends School, Morrisville Public Schools. In addition, the holiday concert has been postponed. Neshaminy School District, New Hope, Solebury School District, North Hanover Township Schools, North Hunterdon Voorhees High School, Northern Burlington Regional High School, Tewksbury Township Schools, Valley Day School in Morrisville, and Mansfield School in Burlington. Schools in Burlington City. Again, all of those institutions are closed. The following are observing a 1-hour delay. Beverly City Schools in Beverly, Blessed Sacrament School, Mercer County Votech, the Assaping Center, the Occupation Center, the Performing Arts Center, and the SIPEC Center are all observing a 1-hour delay, as is the Trenton Public and Parochial Schools. We'll have more listings in just a moment after we take a look at traffic to give you an idea of how slick the roads are. Here's Dan Looney. Dan?
Now, most of the major roadways in the Mercer County, Bucks County area are just wet. There are some slick spots out there, so wherever you're going this morning, you want to leave yourself plenty of extra time. The slushy and slick conditions, that's what we're getting reports on Route 1 through the quarter right now. No problems reported on 195, 295, 206, or Interstate 95 in through Mercer County. We do have an accident in Hamilton, Route 130 near 156. The Trenton bridges are in pretty good shape, but we're being advised to use caution crossing those bridges because of icy conditions. This report being brought to you by the New Jersey Lottery and the Pick 6. The $2.3 million Pick 6 jackpot could put you on the road to riches, so make sure you play the Pick 6 today. That's Express Traffic. I'm Dan Loney here on the station with the music you love and information you need. 1350 WHWH.
Thanks, Dan. Appreciate it.
Curbside recycling is curbing hunger in Mercer County this holiday season. During the week of December 11th,
we've been through the closings and the 1-hour delays. Now the following schools and institutions are observing a 2-hour delay. These are all 2-hour delays. Better Beginnings, Bordentown Regional Schools, Burlington City Public Schools, Camelot Schools, Cathedral Grammar School in Trenton, the Chapin School in Princeton, Cranberry School, East Windsor Regional Schools, Ewing Township Public Schools, and there will be an after-school program, however. All these are under a 2-hour delay. Faith Christian School, Hamilton Township Public and Parochial Schools, Hun School of Princeton, Immaculate Conception School in Trenton, Incarnation School, Ewing, Lambertville Public School. There is no AM kindergarten, and it's under a 2-hour delay. All of these listings are 2-hour delays. Lawrenceville Township Public Schools, Manalapan Englishtown Regional, McCorriston Catholic High School, Notre Dame High School, Our Lady of Sorrows in Trenton, Princeton Day School, Princeton Friends School, Sharon Elementary School, St. Anne's School in Lawrenceville. The preschool is closed, and the extended day program will open at 10 a.m. St. Anthony's in Trenton, St. Gregory the Great School. These, again, are all 2-hour delays. Stockton Borough, Upper Freehold Schools, Allentown, West Amwell Elementary School, West Windsor Plainsboro Schools, and Willingboro School District. Now, the remaining listings are all either 90-minute delays or different opening times. The Beth Hyam Preschool will open at 10:30 this morning. Brick Township Schools are reporting no A and B preschool, no morning kindergarten, no midday kindergarten at Veterans Elementary, no primary PI at the Young School. Bucks County Community College will open at 10 a.m. Delaware Township School is under a 90-minute delay. Ducknet's Church Nursery School, morning session is canceled. Afternoon session is open. East Amwell Township Schools, delayed opening. ESC School in Lambertville under a 90-minute delay. Ewing Presbyterian Nursery, no morning session. Afternoon follows normal schedule. Lawrence Day School will open at 10 a.m. Mercer County Special Services under a 90-minute delay, and the preschool is canceled. New Grange School in Trenton will open at 10 a.m. Princeton Jewish Nursery School will open at 10:30. Princeton Regional Schools under a 90-minute delay. Roosevelt Public School will open at 10 a.m. The Sandhill School in Flemington under a 90-minute delay. Sister Georgine's Learning Center under a 90-minute delay. South Hunterton Regional High School observing a delayed opening. St. Hedwig's will open at 10 a.m. this morning. St. Paul's School in Princeton, the Thursday's Advent Vesper service has been canceled. Stewart Country Day School will open 90 minutes late. The Waldorf School of Princeton, the grade school, will open at 10:30. Nursery and kindergarten classes are canceled. The extended day school will start at 10:30 as well. Allentown Cooperative Christian Preschool is closed. Carnegie Family Center is observing a 10 o'clock opening. Children's Day School in Trenton under a 90-minute delay. East Windsor Senior Citizens Program is observing a 2-hour delay. Hunterton Learning Center is closed. Little People College under a 2-hour delay. The Monday Drop-In Lounge of Princeton is closed. The Navy Lakehurst facility is observing a liberal leave policy for late arrivals. The Ring Nursery under a 2-hour delay. The St. Mark Co-op Nursery School, there is no AM classes today. Somerset County Senior Center is closed, and no home meal deliveries today as well. Trihampton YMCA will open at noon, and University Now Day Nursery will open at 10 a.m. this morning. Finally, BCBS Health Center, HMO Blue in Trenton, is open as usual. And that's the latest in our updated listing for school closings and delays. We'll have an updated version in less than 10 minutes. WHWH News Time.